All right, everybody, what are we going to do today? Well, we're going to take a quick look at the market, which really isn't going anywhere today. Even the S&P is down $3. It had a very tight range with volatility contracting. But I always seem to trade this stock at this time of the year, and I'll tell you why. First, that stock is AVGO. AVGO with not the best IV rank of 16, and the markets are good, not great, better than some, worse than others on a $330 stock. But I'll tell you why I always trade AVGO at the beginning of the year. And it has nothing to do with the expected move or where it goes or how it acts in January. It doesn't have earnings in January or February. It doesn't have earnings until March 12th, I believe. So I missed the earnings cycle in February. I like to avoid the earnings cycle in many stocks. If you look at all the stocks that we trade, I'll just go to like an Apple, for example. Apple has earnings in January. Microsoft, MSFT, is going to have earnings in January. A lot of the stocks that we trade have earnings coming this first quarter early in the month of January. AVGO doesn't have earnings coming till February. You can notice here that the implied volatility in March, which would be affected by, it has earnings in March 12th, would be affected by those March earnings, reflects that with a 51 monthly applied volatility versus more of an average of 45-ish for February volatility. So what am I doing in AVGO? It doesn't have the greatest correlation to the overall market. It's actually pretty random. But you notice up until December of last year, which was only a few weeks ago, this stock was following the market pretty well step for step. It's fallen off nicely from around 400 and change down to about 332. So I'm going to get some long delta, especially on a down day. You can see here AVGO down $10.70, a 3% move. Might sound like a lot, but it has about a $6 expected move in a day or so. So it is larger than the expected move, almost 2 times larger than the expected move. Matter of fact, it was 2 times larger a moment ago. But still decent implied volatility here on AVGO. I have a hard time just selling a naked put, so I always do a 1/2 put ratio spread. That's the way I like to do it. It gives me a little bit of downside, benefit. I won't say protection, because a $10 wide 1/2 ratio spread to the downside just moves your break even down to below 270. 270 is well outside the standard deviation. I'm buying one of the 90s. I'm selling 2 of the 80s. I did this at $1.99 when the stock was about $1 lower than where it is right now. I got filled about 2 cents off of mid price. Maybe volatility contracting a little bit here, or the stock going a little bit higher. That's why the mid price is down around 194. But I did get filled about 2 cents under mid price. So if you were looking at this right now, you might get filled at around 193, 192. Which means that the markets are quite good in here. I'm going with a little bit less delta, only long 7 long deltas, 91% pop. I like that. I'm synthetically selling the 270 puts for $1.99, and I can just go out and do that and probably get filled at 235 or 237 or 238. Why would I do that? Well, I've got this extra little kicker here. If I do have to hold this trade all the way into the 43 days into expiration, you'll notice my max profit is the $10 width of the strikes. That's 290, 280, because I'm long one of the 290s. Short 2 of the 280s, but if the stock was exactly 280, those 280 puts would be worth 0. I'd be long one of the 190 puts. They'd be worth $10. So it's $10 plus whatever credit you received. I received $1.99. If you want to see this trade, before you watch this video, just go to the follow trade on Tasty Trade. Go to the bats. That's us. You can click on that and just look for this trade. There you go. There's the AVGO trade. I did it at 956. Stock was originally 231.87. So the stock was just about $1, like I said, lower than where it is right now. I did this for $1.99 credit. There it is. I tell you why I do this. Seems stock's been a dog, so let's get small long. And adding to that, which the little bit of content that I put here was that we avoid the earnings. All right, everybody, that's my trade for today. Microsoft was a good one from last week. If you look at from last week, I mean on Tuesday, if you look at Microsoft, we were able to close that one for $10. We put on a new one today for $10.33. But if you look at my Microsoft trade, we can just go right here, Microsoft. And I'm only looking at this because I want to show you what I did. I put it on the 6th on Tuesday, took it off on the 7th. It was a directional trade, a bullish trade. So we got the almost $10, $11 move in Microsoft. The IV rank didn't change in Microsoft. It became an all directional trade. And I'm hoping that's what happens with AVGO today. All right, everybody, you know what I tell you to do. I always ask you at this point, and I need you to do this, open an account. Please move, transfer, bring your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy. And if you're a new trader, we're giving away up to $10,000 for bringing your account to Tasty Trade. Click on the Tasty Trade platform. Click on the link. Read everything that you need to do there for new customers. 4% match, up to $10,000 in bonus. That'll be a $250,000 account. Appreciate your support.